There are only three things that you need to be focused on disputing when you're disputing charged off accounts, and that's going to be your account status, your payment status, and those creditor remarks. If you can get the credit bureaus to change how they're reporting something, you'll have a better, stronger chance at getting things updated to where the charge off never even appeared to have been negative in the first place. Try it. I know what I'm talking about. Sometimes it's easier to get them to change how they're reporting it versus a deletion. Credit repair is not always all just about a deletion. You got to know workarounds.